Hi, I'm Kat from Cardigang, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Stevie Knit Kit. So the Stevie is a gorgeous sort of oversized t-shirt. You can either wear her on her own or layer her up to your heart's content, whatever you feel like. She's super versatile, which we love. She's available in 3 different sizes, and you can either knit her all in one color or shake it up and add this sort of contrast rib, which we love. Let's jump in and see what's included in your knit kit. So in your knit kit, you're going to get balls of our Australian chunky merino. So depending on your size will depend on how many balls you get, but she is gorgeous to knit up and knits up nice and quickly. We also have the option to include a needle pack with your kit. So if you have ticked that, you're going to get some circular 15mm needles, some 12mm circular needles, and you'll also get a darning needle. So the darning needle is used to sew the shoulders together. So Stevie is knitted slightly differently to our other knit kits. We knit some parts flat and some parts in the round. So if you are a brand new beginner, we would recommend trying one of our simpler knit kits just to kind of get the hang of the stitches. But like all of them, she uses just a knit stitch and a purl stitch, which we have other videos that you can watch to get familiar and master those. But to start off, we knit what is the pink panels. So we knit the front and the back in the same way using our 15mm needles, and so she's knitted flat, so that means that we knit her in rows, and then using our 12mm needles we pick up stitches to create this sort of like arm ribbing, the ribbing along the bottom, and the V-neck. So if you do get stuck or need a little bit of extra help or advice along the way, we're available via email and Instagram DMs, so hit us up with any questions. We're always happy to help, and we can't wait to see you rock your masterpiece.